Are your Cockos apps crashing due to the ReaperControlMIDI module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. While preparing the manual steps for ReaperControlMIDI module, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the ReaperControlMIDI module, the core library for the MIDI control plugin within the REAPER DAW. It manages the localized MIDI-CC automation and pitch bend signals. If missing, Reaper projects using external hardware synthesizers will fail to synchronize their parameters, reporting plugin failed to load. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. A missing ReaperControlMIDI module DLL usually suggests that a failed update removed a critical piece of the Cockos integration, so reinstalling the latest version of your software, where the error was shown, will automatically restore the library and update the registry links. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the ReaperControlMIDI module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install ReaperControlMIDI module DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If you're addressing ReaperControlMIDI module inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. If ReaperControlMIDI module is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.